Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're reviewing Alpha Droid 4.1 GSI on any Android phone. The installation video link is available in the video description. Right off the bat, we're running on the latest Android 16 with the August 1, 2025 security patch, so it's very up to date. All the customizations are found in the Alpha Settings menu, which is broken down into UI, status bar, quick settings, buttons, lock screen, and more. Let's dive in. Starting with the user interface settings, you get a lot of control over the look and feel. You can customize the Monet theme engine. You can set a custom navigation bar style. There are options for font style, icon pack, and icon shape. You can even change the signal icon style and Wi-Fi icon style individually. Next up is the status bar. You can choose exactly which status bar icons to show. Clock style is set to the left, and you can customize the clock and date. There's a network traffic monitor and a data disabled indicator. It also has toggles for privacy, like the mic and camera privacy indicator and a location privacy indicator, which are all enabled. For battery customizations, you can change the battery style and show the battery percent next to the icon. You can also enable a customizable battery bar at the top of the screen. This ROM is also packed with gestures. You can tap to sleep by double-tapping the status bar. You can also control brightness by sliding your finger across the status bar. In the Quick Settings panel, you can select a header image for the QS background. For the brightness slider, you can set its position to the top and enable the auto brightness icon next to it. You can also change the QS tile shape, customize the columns and rows, and toggle haptic feedback for the tiles. Moving on to the Buttons menu, you can customize the power menu options and set up long press for torch while the display is off. For the volume buttons, the most useful feature here is Control Playback, which lets you seek music tracks by long pressing the volume keys when the display is off. Let's look at the lock screen settings. You can configure the ambient display and set a custom clock font style. In the interface section, you can enable the carrier name, show battery info when charging, and toggle Google Smart Space. There's a full weather section where you can set up your weather service. And for phones with an under-display fingerprint scanner, you get a UDFPS icon picker, UDFPS custom animation options, and toggles for fingerprint authentication vibration and the ripple effect. The notifications menu is also full of tweaks. You can set the max number of notification icons on the status bar. You have toggles for noisy notifications and a clipboard overlay. There are options to manage heads-up notifications, including setting a timeout or enabling a less boring mode. You can also enable blink flashlight for incoming calls. This is where things get really interesting. The miscellaneous section has a tab called spoofing. You can unlock higher FPS in games, which is enabled, and of course you get unlimited photo storage by spoofing your device as a Pixel XL. There are also toggles for Google Play Integrity Spoof, Netflix Spoof, and a Keybox Attestation Override. In the System section, you get smart pixels to save battery, a game space, a floating sidebar, and pocket detection. You can also enable charging animation and the floating rotate button. The ROM also includes a built-in private DNS menu with lots of providers like Cloudflare and AdGuard. Now for what you've been waiting for. We ran Geekbench and it scored 592 in single-core and 1494 in multi-core. However, it's important to note that out of the box, this GSI fails SafetyNet. You might need to use the built-in spoofing options or other modules to fix this if you need banking apps. So, that's a quick look at Alpha Droid 4.1 GSI. Let me know in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.